The how-to case study. This is a very important. So it is the same how-to formula, right? But here we are adding a variation to it. So examples, how I built an online t-shirt business and made $1,248.90 in just 3 weeks, right? So when I have a headline like that, it sounds really trustworthy because I'm using numbers as well, correct? Let's look at the second headline. How we increased our Facebook traffic by 332% in 2015, right? How I paid off 46,500 of student loans in just 2 years. So basically the first one is run by a company called Teesprings. It's a live company way back in USA, right? So they actually had this as a headline on one of their blog posts and it got the maximum clicks. The second one, it is run by a digital agency where it mentioned how we increased our traffic by 332%. Third one is by a loan company, that means a bank who gives out student loans, and they said how I paid off 46,500 of student loans in 2 years. So they picked up a case study of a student who actually paid off his loans in 2 years, and they're talking about how one did it. Now if you realize, all of them indirectly bring them back to the company. So it's a bank who has written the third headline about student loans. So once it says how easy it is to pay back the student loan, people will take student loans. So you saw how you're doing this indirect marketing. So the formula that you'll write down is how we company, depends on what you're writing for, whether it's for personal branding or it's for a company. Yeah. So how we company achieves something specific in a time frame. It's very important for you to put in the time frame as well. Why? Because that adds trustworthiness to it. Please understand, this is very important. The how-to case study, one of the most popular and high converting headline formulas. So I hope you have written this. I'm going to go to the next slide. Right? So why does this formula work? This is a variation of the classic how-to headline, right? The headline arouses curiosity by sharing a story about a specific person or a company. So basically we're adding a case study to it, right? And as readers, we hope to learn something from this case study, because if at all I fall in the category of a student, I will know exactly how to pay back my loans, correct? Or if at all I fall into the category of being a startup entrepreneur, I would like to know how he made $1,200+ within 3 weeks, correct? Now you need to note that the headline examples that we shared are all ultra specific. How to build an e-commerce business would have been generic and bland. But instead, if I said how I built an online t-shirt business and made 1,248.90 in 3 weeks, is more interesting, and more so it builds trust. It feels that, okay, you're not just saying things, right? So please understand, this is a very important headline. I'm sure you have written this down. Now, how to apply this headline? Can you share a client's case study? So this is probably the questions you need to ask your company, whomever you're working for, right? So how can you interview someone for a case study? Or would your readers be interested in a story about your business? So any three of them, as they fall in this category, you could do your research. Please understand, the crux of content writing is research. Correct? So again, do not forget to add specific results for credibility and interest. Specific means figures, facts, use numbers. Why? Because it builds trust. Correct? So this is your headline formula number 3. Any questions so far? Because I'm going to be giving you an assignment right now. Yeah? Everybody ready for an assignment? Yeah, so let me do one thing. Let me open up my, don't worry, no need to worry about the assignment that I'm giving you right now. Once you have done it, I'm going to be giving you 40 such headlines for homework today. Those of you joined us late, I mentioned to you that I'll be giving you this homework, correct? So let me just go to my handouts for my students. So here we're talking about a headline assignment. So I am going to reduce this, correct. I'm going to give you simplify. I'm giving you exactly 4 minutes. So the how to, as everybody can see the screen, let me check whether the screen is shared. Yes, the screen is shared, right? So here what I expect out of you is How-to headlines. How-to headlines are some of the most popular among bloggers and websites, etc., because they tell the reader exactly what they're going to find out from the post below, right? Now, I'll explain this to you before you start. Your timer is still not started. It's a 4-minute timer. I've already given you examples over here, as you can see, correct? So what you'll do over here is how to in your niche. So if you're running a company, if you're a food blogger, whatever your personal niche, if at all you do not have an industry or a category or a niche of your own, then you can take up the either food industry or you can take up the health industry. These two are the most popular industries at this point of time, trending. Correct? So what I'll ask you to do is, you will take your time. I'm giving you 4 minutes for a mere 5 headlines. Take your time. Examples I mentioned to you. You will create your own headline. Correct? So your time starts 1 minute. Your time, I think I'll give you 3.5 minutes. No, chalo, 4 minutes. First assignment, 4 minutes. Your time starts now.